Recently I went to the zoo and that got me thinking, why not give it a shot and draw every animal I've seen over there? I've already done the sketching part off camera, so we can jump right into the inking.
Let's do this!
Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe of course if you like the video at any point. Enjoy! Just like that, I finished drawing the first animal I saw in the zoo.
The drawing is gonna take a very long time. Just spent half an hour on this kangaroo. On to the next one.
So next on the list of animals I've seen is this big ass King Kong. I must say, drawing these animals really challenged my abilities to draw with a fine liner. Let me know in the comments how you think it all turned out.
It's day 2. I hope we can make good progress because I really underestimated the amount of work each animal takes. It's already Wednesday, so I want the video up on Saturday, so I hope we can do that.
Well, that didn't happen as the drawing took literally forever. But anyway, let's continue the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos just like this.
This took me 4 hours to make. It's gonna take so long to finish everything.
Just like that, we're already day 3 of making this artwork.
First animal of the day, let's go. It's time to work on the lion.
This is the most delicate part. I really can't mess this up because it is essentially the main animal for this work. So I took my time for it and slowly added more and more lines to the head of the lion.
So it's day 4 of working on this drawing, but today I will finish it. That's it. I did some minor adjustments off camera, did some fine tuning, but I actually finished the drawing and I'm quite proud of it. I'm gonna show you a reveal in just a second, but guys, please take this moment to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. It really means a lot to me. And if you want to support me further, go check out Bamsway.com because you can buy a lot of my original drawings over there. So that's all I want to say. Let's get you to the end result.